Now we will study destination initiated transfer. Again, there is, for any kind of data transfer, you will always need a source unit and a destination unit. The data bus will always be directed from the source unit to the destination unit. Here, the signal direction changes. Here, the signal was from source. The strobe signal was from source to destination. Now, the strobe signal is from destination to the source. And hence its name, since the strobe signal is arising from the destination unit to the source unit, hence the name destination initiated data transfer, since this data transfer will always be initiated by the destination. From the timing diagram, now the destination unit is ready for data transfer. So at time t1, it enables the strobe signal. The strobe signal is enabled. At time t1, the destination unit enables the strobe signal. After some settle time, that is delta t time, at time t2, on sensing the strobe signal is generated by the destination unit, the source unit senses the signal, and so at time t2, it puts data on the data bus. Since the destination unit is asking for the data, it is ready for the data, so the source unit will put the data on the data bus. Till time t3, t3 minus t2 is the hold time, is the acceptance time. This is the time during which the data will be read from the data bus by the destination unit. So at time t3, when the destination unit has read the data, it will disable the strobe signal. The destination unit disables the strobe signal because it generated the strobe signal, so it will only disable the strobe signal. So at time t3, the strobe signal is disabled. At time t4, that is t4 minus t3 is the invalidation time. The data on the data bus will be invalidated. This is how data transfer happens between the two units, the source and the destination, in two different ways: the source initiated data transfer and the destination initiated data transfer. But the disadvantage of both these data transfer is, one by one, during source initiated data transfer, when the source unit is putting data on the data bus, after putting data on the data bus, it is enabling the strobe signal. But it does not know, after putting data on the data bus, it enables the strobe signal. And after some stipulated time, that is hold time, it disables the strobe signal. It is not getting any signal from the destination unit, whether it has received the data, whether it has not received the data, whether it has read the data or not read the data. So the source unit does not know whether destination unit has received the data or it has received the correct data. During destination initiated data transfer, the destination unit is asking for data from the data bus, asking for data from the source unit. It generates the strobe signal, it disables the strobe signal, it assumes that the source unit would have put data on the data bus, and it reads the data from the data bus. But there is no confirmation from the source unit that whatever that it had put the data, or it had put the it might read a garbage value also which was read, which was put on the data bus. So there is no confirmation whether in this or in this that the data transferred is correct, whether the destination unit here read the data or whether the source unit kept the data on the data bus. So now we will study handshaking method because of these two disadvantages, the strobe method. Because of the disadvantages of strobe method, now we will study the handshaking method.